Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex 20-foot by 52-inch Prism Frame Pool Set with filter pump. The Intex Ultra Frame Swimming Pool is perfect for hosting all those backyard pool parties this summer. The upscale gray pool comes with a cartridge filter pump and instructional DVDs that helps you get the pool up and ready for water in just 45 minutes. Prism Frame pools are enhanced with strong, powder-coated steel tubing. They're durable and still easy to assemble. Product benefits. The liner is stylish and constructed with puncture-resistant, 3-ply material for years of backyard fun with your friends and family. Aeration Technology pump for improved circulation, filtration, improved water clarity, and increased negative ions at the water surface. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.